Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Voicify AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in voicify.ai and press enter. This will now take you into the official Voicify AI website, from which if you already have an account, you can click on the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into your login portal. Now if you signed up using your Google account while creating your Voicify AI account, then click on sign in with Google and simply select your Google account. Otherwise, you will need to type in your email address or your username followed by your account password. Then simply click on the sign in button and now you will be logged in to your existing account on the Voicify AI website. And now you can immediately get started with creating various different models and voices from various different characters. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Voicify AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.